Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. So I'm going to take my black marker, and he's a pretty long character, so his head is going to be up here, his torso is going to be right here, and then his legs are going to be down here. Okay, so make sure you're saving room throughout your whole page for the length of his body. Alright, so I'm going to start up here with his eyes. So he's got two great big circles for eyes, and I'm going to do circle in those circles, and then another circle in those circles, and I'm going to color that one here all in black. Okay, now I'm going to do his mouth. So we're going to do like a little hill here between both eyes. And we're going to come up here, make like a little funny shape, and we're going to do the same over on this side. Okay, and then we're going to come on down and give him a jaw and bring it on up. All right, so now we're going to do the inside. So we're basically just going to follow along the line we just did, but on the inside. See, we're just following along what we already did. Okay, now he needs some big spooky teeth. So let's do all kinds of zigzags here in his mouth. Some can be bigger than others, doesn't matter. And now the bottom teeth, more zigzags. And I'm going to color the inside black. Okay, now we're going to do the top of his head. So Huggy Wuggy is a pretty like fluffy kind of character. So we're going to give him lots of little like floofy bits like this. Just all kinds of like little spikes in his fur. But he's also got these almost like little spikes. Not quite spikes, but little top parts here of his head. They kind of remind me of devil horns, but they're definitely not devil horns, but they're kind of like that same similar shape. Okay, now we're going to make the floof, his little fluffs, come all the way down and on both sides. But we're going to make room here because he's got a little bow. Okay, so now we're going to give him his bow. So I'm going to do like a little square, and now we're gonna do a funny little shape like that. Same on the other side. Doesn't matter, it's okay if they're different sizes, mine are. Then we're gonna follow along the inside of what we just did. Okay, and now two long pieces. Okay, now we gotta connect it to his neck. We gotta do it around his neck here. So it just looks like it's tied around his neck here, like a little necklace, little bow necklace. All right, now his little torso. So I'm gonna do some fluffy bits and then start to round out here. Same on this side, some little fluffy, spiky bits, and round it out. And we're gonna give him his arms. Give him a little floof here and there. And we're going to do the same over here. He's got some pretty long arms. And I'm going to kind of close off this arm here with little fluffy bits. So it's almost like he's got just really fluffy sleeves because he's got little hands here too. So I just gave him almost like a little mitten shape. So a little thumb, and then the rest of the hand. All right, so now we're gonna give him some legs. So we are gonna come on down, all the way down. He's got real long legs. And I'm gonna give him some little floofy bits. And bring it on up. Little line. And come on down. And do the same thing. Give him little floofy spots here on the bottom of the leg. Almost like he's wearing fluffy pants. And now we're gonna give him his little feet, which are super duper similar to his hands. So they're almost just kind of like yellow mittens. Same thing as we did before. So almost like a little shoe, but we got like a little mitten thumb spot there. And same over on this side. Little thumb thing, little shoe thing. Alrighty, so now I'm going to add some color. So for Huggy Wuggy, he is all blue. I'm gonna give him his yellow hands and his yellow feet. And I think I'm also gonna make his bow yellow as well. I'm not sure if it actually is yellow or maybe it's blue, but I'm gonna go with a yellow bow. And you're gonna need a red color for his lips. All right, so I might speed up this part just because it might take a little long. Oh, and I'm also gonna use a gray color to add a little bit of shadow on his super duper sharp teeth. All right, now we're probably gonna speed this up. All right, everyone, we are done our picture of Huggy Wuggy from Poppy's Playtime. I hope you had a good day today. I hope you all have fun drawing, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, bye!